Hello, my name is Per Kudsk. I'm a professor at Aarhus University in Denmark. Recently, I edited the book Advances in Integrated Weed Management. The society and public at large, not at least in Europe, expect the farming community to reduce the use and reliance on pesticides. For many years, herbicides have provided farmers with an effective tool for weed management. And globally, herbicides is the most extensively used group of pesticides. However, it has become more and more evident that the reliance on herbicides for weed management comes with a cost. Herbicides and their metabolites are found in surface water and groundwater, and in many locations, biodiversity is adversely affected. On top of that, many weed species have evolved resistance to herbicides and cannot any longer be controlled chemically. It is time to rethink weed management practices, and integrated weed management is viewed as one of the most promising alternatives to the current practices. Integrated weed management implies that farmers should consider preventive and non-chemical methods besides herbicides. The book Advances in Integrated Weed Management provides some of the knowledge required to change the current weed management practices. A group of internationally recognized scientists has come together and produced 15 chapters packed with up-to-date and very, very relevant information on various aspects of integrated weed management. The first part of the book is dedicated to weed ecology. The 5 chapters of part 1 cover weed species functional diversity, weed community growth and dynamics, weed seed bank ecology, allelopathic interactions between crops and weeds, and the ecology of invasive weed species. A basic understanding of weed biology and weed ecology is a prerequisite for developing effective and not at least sustainable integrated weed management strategies. Part 2 covers new intelligent weed control techniques. The first chapter of part 2 provides an update on advances in using models to describe weed dynamics. This chapter is followed by 4 chapters dealing with decision support systems, sensor technology for weed scouting and mapping, precision application technologies, and mechanical weed control techniques. These are tools that need to be considered in an integrated weed management strategy if we want to be successful in reducing the use and reliance on herbicides. I have the pleasure currently of coordinating a large EU Horizon 2020 project on integrated weed management named IWM Praise. Part 3 presents 5 case studies originating from this project. In the first chapter of Part 3, a topic which has often been disregarded in weed research, namely understanding the attitude of farmers to weed management and the barriers that farmers must overcome to adopt integrated weed management, is covered. A better understanding of how farmers think is crucial for a successful implementation of integrated weed management. This chapter is followed by 3 chapters on novel integrated weed management strategies in 3 different classes of crop: narrow row crops like cereals and oilseed rape, pastures and grassland, and tree crops. The final chapter deals with another important issue considering a successful adoption of integrated weed management: the economics of integrated weed management compared to the current practice. It has been a great pleasure for me to edit the book and to work together with a group of dedicated scientists, and I very much hope that you will enjoy reading the book as much as I enjoyed editing it. Thank you very much for watching this video.